Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm Windows edition and architecture, because the runtime must match 32 versus 64-bit. Next, run Windows Update and install pending critical updates. This often restores CRT components. Then download the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package for 2015-2022. Choose x86 for 32-bit apps, x64 for 64-bit apps. Install it now and reboot when prompted. Once done, check the error again and keep proceeding if the message persists. If the redistributable didn't fix it, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and type sfc/scanno. This replaces corrupt system files. If SFC reports unrepairable items, follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to retrieve files from Windows Update. Make sure you run the correct architecture toolset. As a last resort, you can responsibly obtain the Api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll from a trusted source and place it in. Once the runtime is restored, uninstall then reinstall the program that threw the error. This ensures its installer hooks are correct. Next, verify Windows Update history and the Visual C++ redistributable appears in Programs and Features. If the issue persists, create a system restore point and consider a Windows repair install to avoid data loss. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, boot into safe mode and run SFC and dism there. This can bypass interfering drivers or antivirus software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.